Between the talks with Raman Maharshi, disciple used to ask about Krishnamurti and what Raman Maharshi said about Krishnamurti. Raman Maharshi said he is doing the same work as I do, but I am doing it with different words, and he is telling everything according to the maturity of the disciple. A mature disciple, a mature seeker needs no method and no system. He talked about the choiceless awareness of J. Krishnamurti, which Raman Maharshi replied that it is same as the centerless awareness, as I taught the self-inquiry, asking who am I. So a guru is teaching according to the maturity of the disciple. Yes, Raman Maharshi accept that Krishnamurti is for mature people, and a seeker must be mature enough to understand what J. Krishnamurti is telling. As far as the teaching, the Raman Maharshi is telling you to identify your real self, who am I, not through some formal or traditional practice or forcefully. Just when you ask yourself to whom the thoughts are arising, then inquire about the me, the I behind all these things. And when you track the source of the I, you will find an emptiness, a nothingness, which is your real self. And J. Krishnamurti is also telling the same thing, that when you just observe without any label, without images, without the interference of thought, then you comes into that awareness, you comes into that dimension, which is effortless, which is unknown, which is the dimension of immeasurable, the source of all creation, and hence truth. So if you say both are telling the same thing. A devotee once asked Raman Maharshi that Krishnamurti is criticizing gurus and telling you need no guru, for which Raman Maharshi replied, that's truth, that you don't need physical guru. The physical guru only points toward your inner guru. You have to find your inner guru. Who is your inner guru? Your awareness, your Atman, your real self is your inner guru, who is guiding you throughout the birth and the death, who is, taking your journey, elevating you, evolving you. So Raman Maharshi never criticized J. Krishnamurti. Raman Maharshi, accepts Krishnamurti and admired his choiceless awareness, which is very beautiful to understand the meaning of life, to understand this mystery of life, to see things as they are without any choice. And Raman Maharshi, yes, he accepts that you must be, completely mature. You must, have to completely empty yourself for the inquiry. Because if you are flooded with the information, you can't inquire the reality, the truth. What are you doing? Please let me explain some spiritual concepts. Please don't disturb me. Oh my God, I have to end the video. Sorry for this. And if you are interested in spirituality and meditation, you can join my spirituality course. This course comprises of 24 videos. Who am I, meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, and a guided meditation video. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number I am telling you, 9773529489. and you can WhatsApp me on this number, from where you can join this spirituality course, and it will help you a lot. Thank you very much.